doing. If you want to see what I'm doing, I don't know. But I'm doing cheese bread because we love it. Because we love it and we eat it and the kids eat it. The husband eats it. So my dough prepped all night. I just got up, 10 o'clock, cut up some cheese, mixed up some cinnamon sugar. Because I am gonna make the cinnamon sugar loaf. The Reese's loaf was good. There's probably like 2 or 3 pieces left. So everyone ate it. Thought it would have been better as a sandwich bread because that was the goal. Cinnamon raisin bread. No raisin, but that'd be good. Just cinnamon bread. But we pivoted and just went with it. Okay. Cheese one. Now, stay on there. Another piece. Okay. We're rolling. We're tucking. We're tucking under. And we're rolling. Säg inte man. Då är barn. Can we not be dark faces? One sec. Okay, unpause. I unpaused and I still didn't have my shit together. Spaghetti China. Short. Over. Sprinky. Shove it in. Dust it around. Dust it around. Getting good and dusty. Then take your very expensive pumpkin scraper. Boom, over like that. Put him in the basket, smooth side down. I do just a bit of stitching. I don't want it too tight, but I do like a taut top. Okay. That's what she's looking like. I'm gonna fold the other half over. And in the fridge she goes. Looks like a mess. I love it. Be right back. Wiping some of the cheese off from the last loaf. This is a spinning cup. I like it. The other half of my giant loaf. Stretching it out like a big piece of paper, a giant piece of paper. I'm not really stretching. Yes, I am. I'm stretching it, but not too strong of a stretch. I don't want to rip it. As everything. Where? Well, cinnamon, sugar, brown sugar, butter, vanilla. Not vanilla, salt. Well, I'm not sure if vanilla would have been terrible in this. And I'm not really sure how good this is gonna spread. We're not looking at my doughy fingers. We're ignoring that. Warmness of my hand. I wanted it more like a paste. Spread the paste. Spread the paste. It's not gonna spread at all. That's not gonna spread at all. I mean, kind of just have to go with it, you know? Things aren't happening like they should. It's fine, it's fine. You know, I just don't know. Maybe it'll soak it in. You know, I'm gonna show you all the end result anyway, whether it works out or not. And I'm gonna say 9 times out of 10, even when I mess up on the bread, it's still delicious. Still like, damn, that's some damn good bread with some weird stuff inside. So we're just, I guess, doing little blobs, little pasty blobs. I'm doing this one. Wow, she's so thick and bubbly. I love it. But cinnamon and bread, they love to just create this little slippery moisture, and they just slide right off each other. The bread will stop sticking to itself. Become a big sloppy mess. I've actually turned a couple of these into focaccias. Focaccia is the holy grail graveyard of sourdough mess-ups. Usually overproof, but I'd say most of the time people underproof. Takes a while to get it proofed, you know? Nobody has the patience. It's already bubbling up more. See, she's trying to slide apart back here. It's like, is that cinnamon I smell? You know, we can't stick to ourselves with cinnamon. Good thing nobody else is in here. The weirdo's at it again. She's talking to herself, Mom. I can work to her. Is that always some with the blue? Kaopectate was a girl's best friend. Okay. And I'm doing a sandwich loaf, not a boule. Oh, you're just so beautiful. I love when it's so thick like that. Pan. Some people have terrible time with their parchment paper. True living. Things from Kroger. No issue. Doesn't stick to my bread. I don't want this little short fat loaf. Nothing wrong with short fat loaves. I just want to fill out all the pan. I'm gonna pinch my inches. Oh, these buttons don't want to stick in my mouth. I just want to stitch your clothes a little bit. Pinching that in close. Got down there. Okay, let's see the chunker. Hopefully it fills out more of the pan. How bad is that? Cover it up. I will place a tea towel on top of this. Put it in the fridge. I will be back tonight to bake them both. Show you later. Bye.